Hello guys, welcome to Nabata Accessories channel. Today we are going to learn how to make greeting cards. Want to know how to make them? Okay, let's get started. First of all, we need 6 cardboards and make shapes in 3 of 6 cardboards. We can make the shape of kite, rectangle, or love. And then we need 6 sheets of felt. First, make a shape of love on the cardboard. Cut according to the pattern. Make another love pattern of love on the top of felt. And cut it again. Also make the love on another felt. Glue the cardboard and place on the top of felt. Glue the cardboard and then put another felt on the top of the cardboard. Then trim the side. Prepare a needle and thread. Then sew the side of love with a base stitch. And sew all the sides too. Also prepare 2 small pieces of felt for the hooks. Then sew again as shown on video. They will look like this when we finish with the hook. Then prepare for velcros and the adhesive. glue and place them on the top of felt. Now let's prepare the decoration for the cards. For this card, we need paper flower and artificial leaves. Stick these paper flowers on the corner of the card. Take the wire leaves and cut the ends and stick them beside the flowers. Okay, the first card is finished, and I want to make this card being Mother's Day card. For the second card, I will make a birthday card, and I want to make the decoration of this card with felt balloons, and the ropes are made from gunny ropes. Place and stick the gunny rope on the felt. And stick again the balloons above the ropes. And also stick the flowers on the ropes. And then I need small paper flowers and stick them around the kite shapes. Okay, it's finished. Next, I will make a New Year greeting card. And I need some bonsai flowers and stick them on the side of loaves. Then make the number 2021 from felt. And stick them under the flowers on the top of felt. Trim with a lighter. Next, I make a greeting card from ricebox paper. Stick the felt on the corner of paper. Then we will make the writing match to the shape blocks. I will make the writing of Happy New Year. We make the writing like this, so it looks like prettier. And also, I make the decoration. And then we write for whom the greeting card. And also we write the prayers and hope that we want. And finally, we write from whom the greeting card. Yay, it's done! Okay, there are the greeting cards that we have made together. There are birthday cards, Mother's Day card, and New Year's card. Okay, thanks for watching Nabata's channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share if you want to know our next video. Thanks for watching, see you and bye bye.